for so long now. Oh, you're hard one, but I know that you got your reason. These things that I please in you can hurt you somehow. Don't you throw the queen of diamonds, boy. She's beat you if she's able. Yun na lang queen of taas. Mataas yan.
Queen of taas man.